This corner of our living room was way too boring, so I painted a rainbow mural on the wall. First, we taped pencils onto a yardstick to try drawing the rainbow that way, but that did not work out like we hoped it would. So instead, I marked off on the wall where I wanted each stripe to start, making them 3 inches wide. Then I tied a string onto a tack that I stuck into the bottom of the wall and tied a pencil onto the other end of the string so that it lined up with the first mark I made. Then I used the pencil to draw each arch, working my way down and retying the pencil each time. Don't worry if your lines aren't perfect, you can straighten everything out while you're painting. For the colors, I used paint that we had left over from some other projects around the house, but you can get these little paint samples for only a few dollars at the hardware store. Then I got to painting. I just worked carefully down each stripe and I let each one dry before starting the next, so the whole process took a few days to finish. The lines definitely aren't perfect if you look too closely, but I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. For my next project, I'll be refinishing that little side table, so follow along for more colorful home decor and DIYs.